snows. This is technically supposed to be some sort of crazy blizzard nor'easter thing.
Hurricane force winds, heavy rain, and record snow in some areas.
Heavy snow falling from Philadelphia to New York City to Boston and points west later tonight.
And it's supposed to be scary, but I don't care. I want to go to the park. Dylan, come here. Yep. Let's go to the park.
Okay.
All right, you ready? Let's go. What? This is nuts. Now I understand what the weatherman was talking about whenever he said it was gonna get crazy. Because it's crazy out here.
What do you want me to say?
Whatever's in your heart.
What Blizzard? It's a couple of flights!
So coming to the park was maybe a bad idea, but it's an awesome idea, I think. What do you want to do, Dylan?
Go get coffee.
Snow's getting a little crazier. We're gonna go try to make our way home. See what happens. So I think we learned a really valuable and important lesson today. Snow is not fun until it's done falling. Back at the park today. It's not scary today. It's beautiful.